How to log in MetaTrader 5 account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch Play Store or App Store and search MetaTrader 5 Forex Stocks app. Make sure to install and download on your device. Tap Open to get access to MetaTrader 5 account and tap Accept in order to accept all the privacy policy of this app. Now you will land on this kind of interface where you have to tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Tap Get Started button and you will land on this page. Tap plus icon at top right corner of the screen. Here you simply need to find a broker, or you can also log in to your demo account by tapping MetaCodes Ltd. Here you can either open a demo account to learn trading and to test your strategy, or simply you can log into your existing account entering all your login credentials like your login number, password, and your server type. And if you wish to save your password, check mark the box and now tap on the login button. After that, you will successfully log into MetaTrader 5 account. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.